to my equation, that will become out true. Okay? Same thing on this side. What kind of point is this? Solution, not a solution? Solution. Good. Solution. What kind of point is this? Not a solution. And what if I picked a point here on this boundary line? How do we know that on this boundary line it's not a solution? What kind of line is it? Dash line. Good. And make sure you write those three down, because on your assignment, you're going to have to do this. You're going to have to show me this is a solution, because it's where? In the shaded area. This is not a solution because it's where? It's not in the shaded area. This point on this boundary line, is that a solution? No, because what kind of line is it? Dash line. Okay? Now this next part, we're going to kind of go through this quickly because, like I said, it's the same lines. I'm going to go ahead and plot my points. And notice, this time, real quick, I'm sorry, I kind of skipped this part. What kind of symbol is this?
Less than or equal to.
Less than or equal to. Good. Which means I'm going to have good closed circles. What kind of line do you think I'm going to have? Solid. Solid line. So when I plot my points, they're closed circles. And just like my line here, it's going to be a solid line. Okay. This one is less than or equal to, so am I going to shade up here? Matthew? Am I going to shade up here? No. Where am I going to shade?
Below.
Down below. Good. Less than. And I want you to do the same thing here. Is this a solution?
No.
Not a solution. Good. Is this a solution?
Yes.
Yes, it's a solution. Now here on this type of boundary line, let's say I pick this point on this boundary line. Would that be a solution?
Yes.
Why do you say yes? Because it's a what kind of line? A solid line. This symbol here means with that we include those points. We include every single one of those points along that line. So that is a solution. And we could double check. We could plug in the x and y values into our equation, and it will come out to be true. So same thing on this side. What kind of symbol is this? Greater than or equal to. Which means what kind of circles? Closed circles. What kind of line? Solid line. Good. Same points. Solid line. This time, which way are we shading? Which side is greater than? Up here? Thank you for the head nod. Greater than? Good. This point out here, solution? Not a solution. This point in here, solution. It is so hard to see on top of that, but you get it. And any point I pick on this boundary line. Good. Why is that a solution? Because it's on the solid boundary line. Good. Okay, so there's more than one way you can check and see if it's a solution. You can look at your graph. You can just tell if it's in the shaded area or if it's not in the shaded area. If it's on the solid line or if it's on the dash line. You can plug in points like we did up here. -4 is not less than -4, so you can check your solutions there. There's another thing we could do. Anytime they give us an equation, what do you think we're going to do? Absolutely.